me, I. These pronouns are commonly confused. This video will teach you when to correctly use them in sentences. When should you use I? If a pronoun is doing the action, you cannot use me. You need I instead. Let's take a look at an example. Sam and me worked hard. This is incorrect. In order to understand why this is incorrect, let's break it up into two sentences and you will see why it does not make sense. Sam worked hard. This makes sense. Me worked hard. This is incorrect. The correct version of this sentence would be, Sam and I worked hard. The golden rule is, when there is someone else, their name always comes first, then I comes second. So for example, we have Sam in this sentence, and I comes after Sam. Let's take a look at some more examples. Ben and I went to school. Polly and I had a good time. John and I enjoy learning English. As you can see in all of these examples, the pronoun I comes after the person's name. So when should you use me? The easiest way to remember this is that me should be used when you use words such as between, with, or to. Let's take a look at some examples. Between you and I, this party is boring. This is incorrect. The sentence has the word between in it, therefore we should not be using I. The correct version is, between you and me, this party is boring. Let's take a look at another example. He came here with Ben and I. This is incorrect. Even though this sentence has a name in it and the I comes after the name, however, it is still incorrect because the sentence has the word with. Therefore, we should be replacing the I with me. Here is the correct version. He came here with Ben and me.